Hi guys, welcome back to the Boho Babe Homestead. So I finally got the marl. It's really noisy because there's a bike show going on on the main road. Okay, anyway, got the marl, much more than I expected, and this is what I'm doing. I'm using the bucket to just fill out this area. I'm taking a break right now, so I'm just doing a quick record to show you guys what I'm doing with this front porch. I'm filling it with this limestone. We call it marl here, but correct term is limestone. So yeah, this is what I'm doing. Filling it out. We're going to fill it and leave at least an inch for concrete. This is gonna be filled right up because I have to get the height of the blocks level. I probably still contemplating what I should do with the excess marl. Probably throw it in here, fill it out. Oh my gosh, it's really noisy. I need to seal the spaces between the blocks here so that water don't run underneath the house. So I'm gonna do that, fill this out with the rest of the marl, and then pave this off. It's a lot of work, and the timing is getting a bit limited. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the front porch right now. I ordered the blocks, so the blocks should be coming tomorrow. So I can make the pillars. I'm gonna do that tomorrow, or probably do the back. I have a full day tomorrow, so I'm gonna do the back tomorrow, the back pillars tomorrow on the patio. So that's my project for tomorrow. Since I have the full day, I'm gonna do it at the back, and just to keep out of the sun. And then Tuesday afternoon, I work on these ones. So yeah, that's a quick update on the homestead house for right now. Things will be moving along faster because now we have a deadline to move out, I should say. These guys are already ready to move in here. So yeah, I will be posting the journey, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you want to see more of my homesteading journey. Today was an emotional day, but I'm getting through. What does not kill you make you stronger. I need to push this down because next step right now is to just get the house up and running and at least functional so we can move in our bed, stove, and fridge. We need to get electricity. We need to get the bathroom ready. Thank God we already have a septic tank built. I need to finish connecting the pipe, so I need a bathtub and a toilet to actually, so that we can at least move in here and work on the house.